Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find someone's Instagram ID with phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android, as the steps are the same on both. First, you need to connect your contacts to Instagram. To do this, tap your profile icon in the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right to open settings. From there, tap Account Center at top. From here, go to Your Information and Permissions at the bottom. Here, you'll see the option to upload your contacts. Tap Upload Contacts for Instagram. Turn it on and continue until all your contacts are shared. This allows Instagram to match phone numbers in your contacts with existing Instagram accounts. After your contacts are uploaded, go back to the main screen and tap the search icon at the bottom. Tap the search bar at the top and start typing the person's phone number. Then switch to Accounts tab. If that phone number is saved in your contacts and linked to an Instagram account, their profile and Instagram ID should appear in the results. And that's it. So that is how you can find someone's Instagram ID with phone number. So that's all for this video. Thanks.